हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल IES सॉल्यूशंस। आज हम BEVA 181 के बारे में डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। इसका गेस्ट पेपर एग्ज़ाम्स के प्रिपरेशन के लिए काफ़ी हेल्पफुल रहेगा। MCQ इसका पैटर्न है जो मैं अभी आपको थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेन करूँगी ब्रीफली। टाइटल है इसका इन्वायरमेंटल स्टडीज़। चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं चैप्टर 1 से, एन इंट्रोडक्शन टू इन्वायरमेंट एंड इन्वायरमेंटल स्टडीज़। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, द कंसेप्ट ऑफ डिटर्मिनिज्म वॉज डेवलप्ड बाय, इनमें 4 ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं जिसका करेक्ट आंसर है फ्रेडरिक टेटजल। सेकंड क्वेश्चन है, द कंसेप्ट ऑफ सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट वाज फॉर्मली डिफाइंड इन द रिपोर्ट टाइटल आवर इन्वायरमेंट एंड वर्ल्ड, आवर कॉमन फ्यूचर, इंटरेक्शन विद फ्यूचर और आवर चेंजिंग वर्ल्ड। तो इसका आंसर है आवर कॉमन फ्यूचर। थर्ड वन इज, द अर्थ समिट वॉज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बाय UNESCO, UNCED, WHO या UNICEF। तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है UNCED। फोर्थ क्वेश्चन है, एनी एडल्ट्रेटेड एलिमेंट्स लीक इनटू द ग्राउंड फिल्ट्रेशन एंड आर कैरिड इनटू अ ग्राउंड वाटर रिजर्वर इज नोन एज लैंड कंटेमिनेशन, नॉइज पोल्यूशन, वाटर पोल्यूशन या एयर पोल्यूशन। तो इसका जो आंसर है वो है वाटर पोल्यूशन। फिफ्थ वन है, साउथ अफ्रीका इज ए लीडिंग एक्सपोर्टर ऑफ विच मिनरल, कॉपर, डायमंड, सिल्वर या प्लेटिनम। तो इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है प्लेटिनम। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑप्शंस इज करेक्ट व्हेन वी ओनली अकम्प्लिश 2 आउट ऑफ 3 पिलर्स ऑफ सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट। फर्स्ट, इकोनॉमिक प्लस इन्वायरमेंटल सस्टेनेबिलिटी इज इक्वल्स टू वायबल। बी, सोशल इन्वायरमेंटल सस्टेनेबिलिटी बियरेबल। सोशल इकोनॉमिक सस्टेनेबिलिटी इज इक्वल्स टू इक्विटेबल, या फिर ऑल ऑफ द अबव। तो इसका आंसर है ऑल ऑफ द अबव। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, इन विच ईयर डिड द वर्ड सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट कम इनटू एग्जिस्टेंस। इसका करेक्ट आंसर है 1980। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, इन विच ईयर वॉज द यूनाइटेड नेशंस कमीशंस ऑन सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट स्टार्टेड बाय द UN जनरल असेंबली। इसका करेक्ट आंसर है 1992। आफ्टर माइनिंग द ह्यूज होल्स लेफ्ट बिहाइंड आर यूज्ड फॉर डैश। इसका करेक्ट आंसर है वेस्ट डिस्पोजल। 10th है, मर्करी एंड लीड आर टॉक्सिक एलिमेंट्स दैट कोज लैंड कंटेमिनेशन। करेक्ट आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 है, व्हाट इज द अदर वर्ड फॉर लैंडस्केपिंग। लैंडस्केपिंग को किस नेम के द्वारा भी जाना जाता है, वो नेम है रिस्टोरेशन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट डज अ फर्म सीक फॉर व्हेनेवर द प्राइस ऑफ द मिनरल रिमेन्स हाई। देन इसका आंसर है न्यू डिपॉजिट्स। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑप्शंस इज नॉट इनकॉर्पोरेटेड एज सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट पैरामीटर्स। ऑप्शन ए, जेंडर डिस्पैरिटी एंड डाइवर्सिटी। बी, इंटर एंड इंट्रा जनरेशनल इक्विटी। सी, कैरिंग कैपेसिटी या फिर डी, नन ऑफ द अबव। तो इसका आंसर है नन ऑफ द अबव। क्वेश्चन नंबर 14, इन्वायरमेंटल स्टडीज इज डिफाइंड एज द ब्रांच दैट डील्स विद द। इसका करेक्ट आंसर है अप्रोच अबाउट द नेचुरल वर्ल्ड एंड द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ ह्यूमन्स ऑन इट्स इंटीग्रिटी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट अबाउट द जूलॉजिकल सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया ZSI इज ट्रू। फर्स्ट, it was established in 1890 at the Royal Botanical Gardens, Calcutta. B, it is the first crocodile conservation breeding center in Asia. C, it was established in 1916 to do an organized survey of fauna in India. या फिर D, it was established in 1982 for research in wildlife management. The correct answer is it was established in 1960 to do an organized survey of fauna in India. Question number 16, which layer of the atmosphere contains the ozone responsible for the absorption of UV ultraviolet light? The correct answer is stratosphere. Next question, the estimated percentage of the forest land that ideally India should have is, answer is 33%. Which two countries of the world constitute about 57% of the large dams? द करेक्ट आंसर इज इंडिया एंड चाइना, जहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा डैम्स होते हैं। The essential non-metallic minerals are first granite, marble, limestone, gold, silver, platinum, iron, aluminium, zinc, copper या फिर coal, clay, cement and silica. The correct answer is coal, clay, cement and silica. Next question. Integrated crop management is defined as a process to. The answer is both A and B. Next question. Which three edible plant species constitute about 60% supply of the world's food energy intake? A. Wheat, barley, oat, wheat, rice, maize, wheat, barley, maize या none of the above. The correct answer is wheat, rice, maize. Next question. Which of the following is not a measure of sustainable water management? Preventing leakage from dams and canals, reducing the rate of surface runoff water, preventing loss in the municipal pipes या building small reservoirs in place of a few mega projects. Correct answer is reducing the rate of surface runoff water. Next question. Which element is considered the largest source of world's commercial energy consumption? Coal, oil, natural gas या nuclear? The correct answer is nuclear. Next question. What are the two forms of alcohol are included in biofuels? The correct answer is ethanol and methanol. 25th question. What is the world's largest potential source of biomass energy? The correct answer is fibrous waste of the sugar industry. Next question. The functional aspects of the ecosystem are energy cycles, nutrient cycles या food chains. Correct answer is all of the above. Next question. Which of the following is also called detrivores? Herbivores, decomposers, carnivores या none of the above. The correct answer is decomposers. 28th question. What are keystone species in an ecosystem? The species whose elimination can seriously affect the ecosystem, the species whose elimination can benefit the ecosystem, the species whose elimination would not affect the ecosystem, or none of the above. Correct answer is the species whose elimination can seriously affect the ecosystem. 29th question. Which of the following activity is incorrect about the impact of human activities on the ecosystem? First one is depletion of groundwater, extinction of species, decrease of forest area, or none of the above. Correct answer is none of the above. 30th question. Which element is a building block of both animals and plant tissues? Sulfur, carbon, nitrogen, or none of the above. Correct answer is carbon. Next question. Which human activity can decrease the oxygen levels present in the atmosphere? Deforestation, animal hunting, mining, or both A and C? Correct answer is deforestation. Next question. A large number of interlinked chains in an ecosystem together forms a nitrogen cycle, carbon cycle, food web, or food chain. Correct answer is food chain. Next question is the type of forest grown in the Himalayan mountains region is called. The correct answer is coniferous forests. 34th question. Which one of the following is not direct use of forest products? Bamboo for baskets, medicine, gums and resins, grass for grazing. Correct answer is gums and resins. Next question. Which of the following is a forest service? Reduces the surface runoff of rainwater, prevents soil erosion, regulate the local temperature, or all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Next question. Which of the following is not a reason for the forest loss? Correct answer is extinctions of species. Next question is which insects live and breed in the forest area? Bees, moths, butterflies, or all of the above? Correct answer is all of the above. Next question. Jawar and bajra grow in the areas that have high moisture, little moisture, no moisture या फिर none of the above. Correct answer is little moisture. Which of the following activity can lower the water table? First, soil erosion, growth of human population, over extraction of groundwater, या overgrazing. Correct answer is over extraction of groundwater. Next question. Brackish water ecosystems are found in which of the following? Streams, wetlands, coastal shallows, या deltas. Correct answer is deltas. Next question. Which of the following factors leads to eutrophication? Excessive use of fertilizers, increase of plant nutrients, both A and B, or none of the above. Correct answer is both A and B. Which of the following is not a biogeographic zone of India? Thar Desert of Rajasthan, the Brahmaputra Plains, Southeast Zone, Northeast Zone. Correct answer is Southeast Zone. Which day is celebrated as World Environment Day? Correct answer is June 5th. What will be the impact of the absence of the ants on the earth? No effect, destroys life, a little adverse impact, or decrease in termites. Correct answer is destroys life. Next question. Name the drug associated with the plant sources tea or coffee. Correct answer is caffeine. Next question. Which secret brew act as the gene banks for wild plants? The correct answer is Durex. Next question. What are the number of biodiversity hotspots in the world? 18, 28, 32 या 36. Correct answer is 36. 48th question. The major part of the extinction of species occurs in which of the following biorich areas? Tropical forest, wetlands, coral reefs, या all of the above. Correct answer all of the above. Next question. Which of the following species is used in indigenous medicine? Correct answer is none of the above. Next question. Which of the following element is responsible for groundwater pollution in various states? Chlorine, fluoride, chemicals, or none of the above? Correct answer is none of the above. Question 50th. Which of the following element is responsible for groundwater pollution in various states? Chlorine, fluoride, chemicals, or none of the above? Correct answer is fluoride. 51st question. The most frequent and naturally occurring disaster is drought, tsunami, flood, या earthquake. Correct answer is flood. Question 52. The worst natural hazards in tropics are tropical cyclones, tsunami, floods, या none of the above. Correct answer is tropical cyclones. UNCED stands for United Nations Corporation on Environment and Development, United Nations Conference on Environment and Development, United Nations Corporation on Environment and Disasters, United Nations Conference on Environment and Disasters. Correct answer is United Nations Conference on Environment and Development. Next question. Which of the following material is not used in urban housing is very energy intensive? Steel, cement, burnt bricks, या फिर silver? Correct answer is silver. Next question. The worst sufferers of environmental destructions are rich, moderate class, poor, or all of the above? Correct answer poor. Next question. The adaptation of traditional medicine in industrialized countries is termed as CAM, which stands for cooperative and alternative medicine, complementary and associative medicine, cooperative and associative medicine, complementary and alternative medicine. Correct answer complementary and alternative medicine. Next question. The single largest preventable cause of cancer is tobacco smoking, alcohol consumption, both A and B, or none of the above? Correct answer is tobacco smoking. Next question. Which of the following is the key measure to reduce the number of diarrhea cases? First, improved sanitation. B. Food hygiene. C. Safe drinking water, or all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. Next question. Which element present in the drinking water can lead to various fatal diseases? Calcium, arsenic, phosphorus, none of the above. Correct answer is arsenic. 60th question. Hepatitis A is a type of waterborne disease, airborne disease, food contamination, or both A and B. Correct answer is both A and B, which means waterborne disease or airborne disease. Forest Conservation Act was amended in which of the following year? 1952, 1963, 1988, or 1978? Correct answer is 1988. Next question. Which of the following gases are not permitted to release by the Government Prevention and Control of Pollution Act? Nitrogen oxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, or all of the above? Correct answer is all of the above. Next, the 3R principle is in which of the following order? Reduce, reuse, recycle, or reuse, reduce, recycle, reuse, reduce, or none of the above? Correct answer, reduce, reuse, or recycle. Next question. In which of the following reports books was sustainable development formally defined for the first time? Silent Spring, The Limits of Growth, Our Common Future, or Agenda 21? Correct answer, Our Common Future. Which one of the following is not one of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals opted by UN? A. No poverty. B. Zero hunger. C. Good health and well-being. B. Tourism and travel. Correct answer is tourism and travel. Next question. The natural residence of every organism is known as biome, niche, habit, या habitat. Correct answer is habitat. What is the name of the feature that allows organisms to survive in the conditions of its habitat? A. Adjustment, adaptation, acclimatization, adaptation variation. Correct answer is adaptation. Shalford's law of tolerance is named after? Correct answer is Ernest Shalford. Next question. Shalford's law of tolerance suggests that organisms with a wide tolerance limits for environmental factors show narrow distribution with low population, wide distribution with high population, wide distribution with high population, or narrow distribution with high population. Correct answer is wide distribution with high population. Next question. Wide variety of living organisms is called biodiversity, population, habitat, or diversity? Correct answer biodiversity. Next question. Animals adopt a similar state like sleep to reduce their metabolic rate. It is called migration, transpiration, hibernating, or none of the above? Correct answer is hibernating. Hyenas and vultures are omnivores, scavengers, carnivores, or herbivores? Correct answer is scavengers. Next question. A mutual relationship between two organisms where both of them are benefiting from what other is called mutualism, symbiosis, parasitism, or food chain? Correct answer is mutualism. Next question. Which is not a feature of heliophyte among the following? Correct answer is stem with long internodes. Next question. Which of the following is not a feature of our selected species? Reproduce quickly, the low survival rate of progenies, reproduce a large number of progenies, या parental care? Correct answer is parental care. Next, the term ecosystem was proposed by? Correct answer is Tansley. Next, what is the percentage of oxygen and carbon dioxide exist in the ecosystem? Correct answer is 20.95% and 0.04%. Next question. Which of the following is the smallest artificial ecosystem that has sustained for a long period? Correct answer is Folsom bottle. Next question. Dash group of species exploits the biotic and abiotic resources in the same way. Correct answer is guild. Next question. Which is or are the abiotic components of an ecosystem? Soil, protein, carbon, or all of the above? Correct answer is all of the above. Next, the set of ecosystems is called atmosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere, or none of the above. Correct answer is biosphere. A single bacterium in the soil interacts with the water, air, particles of soil around it, or all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. Next question. The region of earth where life exists is known as atmosphere, biosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere. Correct answer is biosphere. Next question. In the biosphere, energy is received from the sun, the interior of the earth, both A and B, और D है work. करेक्ट आंसर है C, both A and B. Next question. The biosphere consists of the following: lakes, soils, solid sediments. Correct answer is all of the above. Next question. In which of the following forms the waste products are discharged into the biosphere? First, gaseous, second, liquid, C, solid, then all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. Ecosystem is smallest unit of ionosphere, lithosphere, biosphere or mesosphere. Correct answer biosphere. Next, energy dash in an ecosystem. Energy is released, is absorbed, flows or none of the above. Correct answer is flows. Energy flows in an ecosystem. Next, the set of ecosystem is called a biome, climate, subsystem, structure. Correct answer is biome. Next, the following is an example of terrestrial biome. A है tropical rainforest, B है rivers, C है streams and D है all of the above. Correct answer is tropical rainforest. Next question. Terrestrial biomes has a rapid change of carbon dioxide, oxygen, water or all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. Next question. Which animal drinks water periodically and is psychologically adapted to withstand tissue dehydration for long period? First is lion, second one tiger, third one camel and fourth one elephant. Correct answer is camel. Which biome experiences intense heat and strong wind with a great desiccating action during April to June? Correct answer is desert biome. Next question. On which animal calots and uromastyx are predatory in Thar desert? Correct answer is desert locust. Next question. Energy flow in ecosystem is, correct answer is unidirectional. Next question. Which one of the following is one of the characteristics of a biological community? First है sex ratio, second one है stratification, third है natality, fourth है mortality. Correct answer is stratification. Next question. Which of the following is an example of man-made ecosystem? Tissue culture, aquarium, herbarium or forest? Correct answer is aquarium. Next question. These belong to the category of primary consumers: snakes and frogs, insects and cattle, eagle and snakes or water insects? Correct answer is insects and cattle. Next question. Which one of the following pairs in mismatch? Correct answer is prairie epiphytes. Next question is, which is the reason for highest biomass in aquatic ecosystem? Correct answer is benthonic and brown algae. Next question is, the average trophic efficiency of transfer of energy from one trophic level to the higher trophic level is called. Correct answer is Langermann's trophic efficiency rule. Next question, which one of the following is correct matching of a plant? Its habit and the forest type where it normally occurs. And correct answer is Prosopis tree scrub. Next question, in a comparative study of grassland ecosystem and pond ecosystem, it may be observed that primary and secondary consumers are similar, the abiotic components are almost similar, the biotic components are almost similar, or both biotic and abiotic components are different. Correct answer is the abiotic components are almost similar. Next question, the pyramid of energy is always upright for any ecosystem. The situation indicates the fact that herbivores have a better energy conversion efficiency than carnivores. Producers have the lowest energy conversion efficiency. Carnivores have better energy conversion efficiency than herbivores, or energy conversion efficiency is the same in all trophic levels. Correct answer is herbivores have a better energy conversion of efficiency than carnivores. Next question, study the following lists. फर्स्ट में दिया गया है पॉपुलेशन एंड लिस्ट सेकंड में क्या है पार्ट ऑफ द अर्थ कंसिस्टिंग ऑफ ऑल द इकोसिस्टम्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। सेकंड वन इज कम्युनिटी, देन इसका जो पार्ट है सेकंड वो है असेंबलेज ऑफ ऑल द इंडिविजुअल्स बिलोंगिंग टू डिफरेंट स्पीसीज अकरिंग इन एन एरिया। इसमें सी है इकोसिस्टम, देन इसका थर्ड पार्ट है ग्रुप ऑफ सिमिलर इंडिविजुअल्स बिलोंगिंग टू द सेम स्पीसीज फाउंड इन एन एरिया। D1 है इकोस्फेयर, इसमें है इंटरेक्शन बिटवीन द लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स एंड देयर फिजिकल इन्वायरमेंट कंपोनेंट्स। एंड फिफ्थ है क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ ऑर्गेनिजम्स बेस्ड ऑन द टाइप ऑफ इन्वायरमेंट। अब इसमें इन्होंने ऑप्शन दे दिए हैं कौन सा करेक्ट है, A1, B फोर्थ, C फिफ्थ या D थर्ड। B है A फिफ्थ, B सेकेंड, C थर्ड या D फर्स्ट। C है A सेकेंड, B थर्ड, C फिफ्थ या D फोर्थ। देन D है A थर्ड, B सेकेंड, C फोर्थ या फिर D फर्स्ट। एंड करेक्ट आंसर जो है इसका वो है A थर्ड, B सेकेंड, C फोर्थ एंड D फर्स्ट। ये इसका करेक्ट आंसर है। तो ये था पैटर्न जो भी था इसका, जितना भी गेस्ट पेपर मैंने इसमें 105 क्वेश्चन अभी कवर अप किए हैं। अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो प्लीज़ इसको लाइक कर दीजिए और इसके सेकंड पार्ट के लिए आप कमेंट्स में लिख दीजिए। अभी सेकंड पार्ट भी बहुत जल्द इसका आ जाएगा। और इससे पहले आप मुझे कमेंट्स में मेंशन ज़रूर करिए, कोई सजेशन हो या फिर मुझसे कोई इसमें गलती हुई, कोई मिस्टेक हुई है तो उसके लिए रियली सॉरी। अगर आपका कोई सजेशन है तो आप कमेंट्स में ज़रूर मेंशन करके बता सकते हैं। सेकंड वन, वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। सेकंड पार्ट बहुत ही जल्द आ जाएगा इसका। थैंक यू सो मच।